Hi friends, welcome to Riha Craft. Today I decided to show you beautiful wall decor with cotton bud. Let's see what we will need. Cotton bud, glue, fabric paint, one brush, wool thread, A4 paper, cardboard, pencil, scissor, heat gun and baby ribbon. First we have to cut the cardboard 3 size of heart, and also we have to color the cotton bud. I cut the 3 size of heart and try to remove the center. Now we are ready to color the cotton bud. Let it become dry. I color the cotton button. Now you take cotton button, try to cut it. Take a A4 paper and try to cut a small round. I choose some coins for small round. Take a one round, add some glue. Take a cotton bud. Make a flower shape. Take one bead and add in center. I make the flowers with cotton bud. 18 flowers in red color and 18 flowers in yellow color. Take a one heart, cardboard heart, and take a heat gun, add some glue, and take a baby ribbon. Try to close the heart with baby ribbon. We cover the 3 hearts with baby ribbon. Now we try to add flower in heart. Take one flower, add some glue, we put the flowers in heart frame. Now we have to fix the 3 heart frames. Take some thread and try to add it with glue. Our cotton bud wall decor is ready now. Thank you for watching. See you soon with my new craft.